members of parliament may not know that Mr. Lekulo comes from the El Molo community, the smallest community in this country. And if an El Molo could rise from being a student to qualify to be a public administrator as a DO and rise to the high office of the Chief Sergeant at Arms of the National Assembly, it tells you that any child in Kenya can be anything that they desire to be and they work to be. And Mr. Lekulo remains a shining example to not only the El Molo community, but to also other marginalized and small communities in this country, that they have a chance. In conclusion, Honorable Speaker, I want to address you. As the chair of the Parliamentary Service Commission, the El Molo community have lost one position in the National Assembly. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I thought the mic had gone off because I was addressing you. Honorable Speaker was saying this is a house that represents not just the people, but represents equity in our nation. And it is important, Honorable Speaker, that this position that Mr. Lekulo held, that was held by a man of great repute from the Molo community, that the Commission works to ensure that we get more El Molos to serve in the National Assembly, so that all the people of Kenya, when they are represented by members of parliament, can also see the face of their communities in the staff establishment within the National Assembly. And I must, Honorable Speaker, congratulate the Parliamentary Service Commission that has ensured that this House becomes a hallmark of actual equitable representation of people within our staff establishment, Honorable Speaker. And with that, again, Mr. Lekulo, congratulations. And in all your future endeavors, may you continue serving with the diligence and dedication that you have served us as the people's representatives, and in your service to us, you have served the people of Kenya. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Junet.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to thank you